So a quick tour through our drone registration demo on Electronica Munich. So we have here Root CA, which has the certificates of the drone stored. So we have 2 registered drones at the moment. They have a validated and below we see certificates issued. We have a ground station which is connected to the drone via D2X. We have telemetry there, so we see battery consumption, we see other data, and we have the live video also via the D2X communication unit. Here is the D2X ground station with an NFC reader. This ground station is connected to a local network, connected then also to this ground control computer, and also via the local network to the Root CA. And we have via D2X the drone connected, the D2X drone units running on 5.8 GHz, and it has an NFC reader as well. So how to start the drone registration? So we are putting an NFC enabled card on the drone. It starts flashing yellow, so it's writing the certificate signing request onto the NFC card. And after that has been done, we are taking the card away from the drone, going to our ground station, putting the card there on the ground station, and what we immediately see, a new certificate is issued. So the green one on top is issued now. It's sent back to the ground station, and the signed certificate is stored on the card again. We're going back with the card to the drone, putting the card on the drone, so it reads now the signed certificate back into the flight control. And after that has been done, the LED will start flashing green, as it is now. And the flight control sends after that a signed message to the network, and we can verify this here on the ground that a signed MAVLink heartbeat message is received now. Thank you for watching.